some more aerobics, but this is more of a dance HIIT style. I was just looking through the Pure Energy app and thinking, what can we go for today? I had so many comments yesterday about aerobics, people that used to do aerobics, used to teach aerobics, that don't do it anymore, how we miss it. If that's you, leave me a comment. I am interested. So this is on the Pure Energy app. I'm going to put the choreography together for this as well. So if we take some of the choreography blocks that we did yesterday, we can put this together. It's a slightly slower vibe, but you could pump up the BPM. So let's do some simple choreography. Oh, we've got that Latin vibe here. And then a step touch on this one. Each interval is different. Grapevine, right, left. And then add a kind of a Beyonce. Let's give it that Latin style. 2 more. I think we need to add a chasse here. So you could do a chasse with a mambo forward. You've got a nice little combo there for that block. Go again. Squat down. Now across the body. 4. Now 4 curls. There, I think this is about 125, 130, I think. And then here's your Beyonce. And I know I teach a couple of LIIT classes a week, and they're really popular as well for people that struggle with their knees but still want to work hard. So you could modify this choreography accordingly. And again, let's go with a squat. 3. Now cross the body. Dun, dun, dun. Now 4 curls. There you go. Good morning. How are you? Now back. Let's go with a pump. Sarah, good morning. Is it this up your street? Do you like it? A little bit low impact hit. You could even add a pivot. There we go. Extra choreography could be a crosswalk. 3, 4. Tap to the side, and then I did this Roger Rabbit. I did loads of these last week in Playitas. It's really sort of 80s, 90s vibe. So you kind of like this. Squat down. We had so much fun doing it though. And isn't that what it's all about? Good reach over.
15-second rest.
And then 4 curls. So 2 minutes, I think, gives you enough time to build up a nice simple block. You've got your 50 seconds of recovery. Sarah, I know, love this. Morning, Gemma. What's everybody teaching today? What are you teaching today, Sarah? Let me know. Now, I think we need some chasses now. Let's go from the crosswalk. Tap. Now, you could just Roger Rabbit back or skip back, however you wanted. And then add a pony. And then 4. Don't we love a pony? Then I'll add a chasse forward. March. Or add a rock. And chasse back. So if you do 2 chasses forward, take the right leg, rock down, 1, 2, and chasse back. So put that together, crosswalk, tap side, and then Roger Rabbit back or skip back, pony, and then 4 ponies, and again 2 singles, and then 4 again. Chasse forward, rock, break day. It was Zumba and Broadway Boogie. And again, chasse. I love that class that you do at Melton. It looks ace in that gym. And then if I add on a rock to the side with a cha-cha in the middle, just like this, side step, 1, 2, 3. There we go. Again, you can give it some flavour. Again, let's go from the top, crosswalk, 1, 3 and down, and then pull back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pony, and then 4. I'll tell you in a second which release this is. Good, then chasse. I have a feeling it's HIIT 37. Leave me alone. Chasse. Good, one more back. There we go. And then take a side, out, 1, 2, 3. Good again.
Take a 15-second rest.
So another nice easy block to do. 1 more.
2,
And recover. So this could work for all ages, all demographics. And you can easily just you can easily just change the choreography to suit the audience, whether you want to make it faster or harder or just keep it really low key and low impact. Let's do a single knee. 3 repeaters, and then a mambo cha-cha, forward and back. So front to back, and then you're on that left lead. Are we ready? Single knee, there, repeater, 3, and a mambo cha-cha. One more time. Now, single knee, let's go. Knee, you could do a knee to the front, knee to the back. Repeater. So you can always start with really base patterns and then add on and layer on some changes. One more. Single knee, 1 to the front, 1 to the back. Repeater. And again, just comment choreography. You'll get the link and I'll send them all out today, later on this morning. So I've got lots of choreography ideas with the videos. Then let's add on a V step and a V back. Single, single, double. Hold. Now V step. Now back. Single, single. Hold. Let's go. Single knee. 1. Now repeater. Mambo cha-cha. Here's 1. One more. Are we ready? Side. 1, 2, 3. So we can add in that rock to the side. Now V step forward. V step back. And even add a pivot. There we go. So much you can add. And again, let's go. Single knee. Single knee. Repeater. 3.
Take a 15-second
and
rest.
there you go. Nice simple choreography there. There you go. Good morning, gang. Well, I hope that inspired you this morning. The music is HIIT 37 from the Pure Energy Music app. Let me show you. So it's that one. And it's called Dance HIIT. So if you're just looking for a different flavour this morning, there's your release. Let me know if you enjoyed that. If you want the choreography. Also, if you missed my Women's Wellness newsletter and you'd like to grab last week's copy, just comment wellness. Let me put that here as well. Then you can get that. And then every week I send out on a Saturday morning a wellness, just updates, tips, strategies, systems I've done, insulin resistance, inflammation, key nutrients for menopausal women, just real basic, great information that you can read and think, oh, I can apply that today. So grab it. And if you want to join my June fitness challenge with 30 days of classes, just comment June and I'll send you all the details. All right, guys, have a fantastic day. Hopefully the sun will come out later and I'll see you on the next one. Ooh, let me put those comments on. I love this on StreamYard. Look at that. All the comments can come up now, which I love. See you later.